Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious avocado lime ranch dressing. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 1 ripe avocado, half a cup of Greek yogurt, and 1/4 cup of milk. Don't forget 2 tablespoons of fresh lime juice and 1/4 cup of fresh cilantro. We'll also use 1 clove of garlic, a 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder, and a pinch of salt and pepper to taste. This combination creates a vibrant and creamy dressing. Now let's get blending. Start by adding your ripe avocado, Greek yogurt, milk, and fresh lime juice into your blender. Next, toss in the fresh cilantro and that peeled garlic clove. Secure the lid and blend on high speed. You want to achieve a perfectly smooth and creamy consistency, so let it run for about 30 to 45 seconds until there are no lumps remaining. This forms the rich base of our dressing. With our base blended, it's time to fine-tune the flavors. Add the 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder to the blender. Then, season generously with a pinch of salt and freshly ground black pepper. Give it another quick blend for about 10 seconds to fully incorporate everything. Now, taste your creation. This is your chance to adjust the seasoning or add a little more lime juice if you prefer a tangier dressing. Make it perfect for your palate. Your delicious avocado lime ranch dressing is now ready to enjoy. It's fantastic drizzled over salads, used as a vibrant dip for vegetables, or even as a spread on sandwiches. For storage, transfer any leftovers into an airtight container and keep it in the refrigerator. This dressing is best enjoyed fresh, but it will maintain its wonderful flavor and creamy texture for up to 3 to 4 days. Enjoy your homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.